Hola chicos, buenas noches. Esta información está en paquete página 7, so packet page 7. Y el plazo es martes el 9 de octubre. So it is due on Tuesday, the 9th of October. We don't have school on Monday, so this is something you're going to have to make plans to do in school on Friday or today, Thursday, or Monday at home, or sometime over the weekend at home. So indefinite articles. We spent Thursday and Friday going over definite articles, the 4 different ways to say the, which is the first half of this note sheet. Remember that if I'm talking too fast, you can pause me or you can rewind. If I'm talking too slowly, you should be able to fast forward or jump ahead. Definite articles, el, la, los, and las explain the word the, but today we're going to go over indefinite articles. Your textbook does explain both of them all together, but I think it's a little bit confusing to put them all together. Again, this information is on textbook page 61, and it is something that you're pretty much going to have to memorize. Indefinite articles are words in Spanish that mean a or an and some. Just like with definite articles, there's always going to be a masculine and a feminine, and then there's going to be singulars and plurals. So I've set up both charts the same so that you have your singulars on your left and your plurals on your right, just like when I make you guys write out the verb ser. Your singulars are over here on the left and your plurals are on the right over there. Masculine. So instead of saying el chico, which means the boy, because you're not always referring to that same one boy, sometimes you want to say a boy. A boy in Spanish is represented by saying un chico. If you want to talk about a girl, not just the girl, but a girl in your class, you don't have any idea what her name is, but you just really, really like what she wore today. Una chica. If you want to talk about some boys, I saw some boys in the hallway and they were totally having a great time in between the passing period. Unos chicos. Notice that unos ends in an S, as does chicos. They both have to be plural. And then some girls. Unas chicas. They almost follow a pattern. Una is the feminine singular, a girl, and to make it plural you add the S. Unas chicas, some girls. Un, U-N, is a boy, and unos, you add os, means some boys. Another way to remember that un is a is that it kind of looks like uno, and uno is how you say one in Spanish. Except if you say it, uno chico, it just sounds kind of funny. So what in Spanish they've done is they've dropped the O, so it changes to un chico. So it kind of flows a little bit easier. Then you add the O back on so you can add an S. Unos chicos. Take a second to figure out which indefinite article you would use to go with these words. Here's your first one. Jugo. Número dos. Papas fritas. And número tres. Amigos. Pause the video and when you're done, check your answers. You should have un jugo, a juice, unas papas fritas, some French fries, and unos amigos, some friends. Here are some more examples. Él es un hombre. He is a man. He's not el hombre. He's not the only man that you know of. He is a man. Selena Gomez es una chica muy bonita. Here we're making our sentence significantly longer. Instead of just saying Selena Gomez es muy bonita, Selena Gomez es una chica muy bonita. She is a girl very pretty. Unos chicos son cómicos. Some boys are funny. Not all of them, but some of them are. Unas galletas son deliciosas. Some cookies are delicious. Please also remember that definite and indefinite articles must match the nouns that they refer to in gender and in number. Remember, that just means that you can't say una chico. It has to be un chico. And you can't say unas chicos or unos chicas. Also, you can't say una chicas. Una has to be plural and feminine to match chicas. Unos has to be plural and masculine to match chicos. Vamos a practicarlo mañana. We're going to practice this in class mañana. I've also posted another activity so you can practice indefinite and definite articles all mixed up. Adios!